Is this you? Do you lie in bed awake at night because of your spouse's snoring? You've tried everything. Earplugs, earphones, breathing into a bag, snoring mouth guards, white noise, even spooning, but nothing seems to work. Introducing the Sweet Dreams No Snore Pillow. This pillow does not replace your existing pillows. It simply complements the pillows you are already using. Please note that the instructions packed with Sweet Dreams No Snore Pillow are for you only, not your snoring spouse. Once you've reviewed the instructions and signed the release form, you're ready to use the Sweet Dreams No Snore Pillow Therapy to silence those snores forever. Just think, all those years of agony, misery, and hateful spite gone with just one use. Hubbies can use it too. Just listen to what these guys had to say.
Sweet Dreams No Snore Pillow has finally allowed me to relax and enjoy life.
No guilt.
Sweet Dreams No Snore Pillow. With just a little bit of bitterness, sociopathic tendencies, and upper arm strength, a good night of sleep is just a phone call away. Product not recommended to be purchased by snorers themselves.
I'm on the Brute Squad.
You are the Brute Squad.